All right, guys. Welcome to Polo Media. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope you're getting value in each of the videos you watch from this channel. And in case this is your very first time of coming across my channel or my videos, please make sure to subscribe so you'll be notified once I drop any new video on how to make money in 2023. Now, I'm going to be bringing you avenues to make money in 2023 with your mobile phone, with your laptop. As long as they are on the internet, your mobile phone and your laptop, you will make money with them. Now, today I'm bringing to you another platform called Sprout Gigs. I'm working on my laptop, but you can work with your mobile phone, okay? Sprout Gigs is where the world works. Sprout Gigs is an online marketplace that connects freelancers and business owners around the world with easy to do affordable tasks, which means if you know how to write articles, you know how to remove images from a background, background images on a picture, you know how to design websites, you know how to create content, you know how to create TikTok account, you know how to, whatever it is you can do is done right here. I am going to leave the sign up link to this video description. Please make sure to click on it so as to sign up. So once you click on that link, it will bring you here, whether on your mobile phone or on your laptop. Bring you here. You click on sign up. When you click on sign up, uh you'll be asked to enter your name, your real name, okay, your real name. Now your email address, your full name completely. Next is your email address. Next is password. Confirm the password. Enter a nickname, whatever name. Then select your country, which is Nigeria, which is where I am right now. I'm in Nigeria. If you are in another country, please select your country. Once you select your country, you scroll down. The next is to choose which one you are. Select your profile type. Select the desired profile type now, but you can switch between them later. So I'm a worker. I'm looking for people to work for. Or are you an employer? You are looking for people who will work for you. Okay. Now I agree to Sprout Geeks terms of service and privacy. Okay. If you want them to be sending you newsletters and updates, you can select it, but I don't want it. Okay. Okay. So and then click the next thing you click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, they will send you an email verification, a verification email to your email direct and ask you to click on it so as to verify your email. Once you click on it, your email is automatically verified and then you are asked to log into your account. So I will log into my account now and show you around what you can do there and how you can do them. Now, when you come here, you can see browse gigs. You can select and send offers to several workers. So you can select all offers, from people, check out for offers and send them. Now look at what this person is saying. I will convert article to YouTube video with whiteboard. He has done over 51 reviews. He has done that for 5.25. He has done 51 jobs. This one said, I will find 5 low keywords in your competitor site. He has done 2 for $1.0. You are the one that choose the price you want people to pay. Here you decide on how much you want them to pay. But the truth is, make sure that the service you are rendering is something that people are looking for. And then be moderate in your charge and you make more money. I will provide you Canva Pro 30 days, only $1. You can see that. Let's keep going on. I will give a Canva Pro account lifetime access and he's doing it for $2.10. I will write 10 articles up to 1,200 words and he's doing it for 11.0 cent, 03 cent, and he has done only 2 jobs. We are going to do more. I will write 1,200 words high quality article for $1 only. Okay, so you can see so many people. Now then, instead of going through up and down, you know exactly what you want. I want to look for an article writer. For example, I want to look for article writing jobs. Now, let me search for article instead of writer. Let me search for article to bring out so much here. I will show you. See what article writers are charging and see how many jobs they have done. So you understand. See this person. I will write 5 high quality 1,000 plus words articles for any niche. at $3.5. $3.5. He has done 14 jobs. This person at 1.05 has done 14 jobs. This person at $1.05 has done 65 jobs. So you can see that. And what is he doing? 100% unique 3 blog posts only for $1. He gives them to you for $1. Okay, look at this person. This person for $1.05 has done 62 jobs. This person for $7.35 has done 37 jobs. What is he doing? I will write 1,000 word SEO friendly article. Let's open him. He's charging uh uh $7.35, and he delivers within 1 day. Maximum revisions 3. That's what you can do. He said, I will write 1,000. I will write 9. That's in 9 places. I will write 1,000 word SEO friendly unique articles or blog posts. 9 of them, and he's charging you $7. And this thing he can do, this thing he can do in a space of 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Let's see, using ChatGPT. Now, say, I will write. Now, I'm going to copy. I'll copy it. Watch what I'm going to do. Go to ChatGPT. I'll refresh. Okay, look, all these things you can do on your mobile phone, please. Okay, you can do on your mobile phone. Refresh again, and then here I'm going to remove this. I'm going to tell the ChatGPT to write 1,000 words SEO friendly unique article and blog posts. I'll refresh again, please. The network, you can see they are having issues. So let's put and see if it is going to work. Okay. So he's writing the article for me. He's giving me different. Remember what I said? I said write 1,000 word SEO friendly unique article and blog. He's going to give me 9 of them. I will now ask him to break it down. Break each of the topics down properly. Do you understand? So look at what he's saying. Still writing. I will just ask you to break each of the top titles down with what's it called? Detailed information. So you see that it has given me just 9. Okay, 9 that I requested for. 1,000 words. Okay, now I'm going to ask you to break each of the now break each of the points down in a more detailed way. For example, and I'll say this: network is down. Sorry about that. Ooh, 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 ooh. I need this, man. Ooh. Okay, let me call up the one we did before. Wow. I can't even call up what I have done before. Okay. I think I've called it up now. Network is bad. I will now say break each of the points down in a more detailed manner. For example, let's try with the network is back. Okay, so it's breaking it down now. Detailed. Can you see that? And I said break each of the points down in a more detailed manner. You can see that. Look at what it is writing. For the point number 1. You see point number 1. You see the length of point number 1 was just 3 lines. So it's breaking it down. ChatGPT is breaking it down. You see that? It has entered the next one. Conduct keyword research, which is number two is optimize your title and meta description. So it's breaking them down in a more detailed. You can see that keyword research, optimize your title. So I will allow it. Network is bad. God, this network is bad. It has cut off what I was trying to do. Okay, but you understand what I'm trying to say. So I put a title based on what this person said he's going to do. You see, I'm showing you how he's going to write this article. He'll just copy it and come down here, put it here, and then ask the system to break it down. See, there was an error generation, so network is bad. Just ask the system to break it down, and the system will ChatGPT will break it down, and he will copy it and go and give it to the owner. Let's continue. Let's see if it will continue. Okay, to start afresh. Okay, I want a breakdown because I'm looking for 9 different. You see, because the person said I will write 9 1000 word SEO friendly unique article. Okay, so ChatGPT is giving it to me right now. Detailed, more detailed than what it used to be. Do you understand? So this is the easier way to write the article. When you are done, go to paraphrasing tool. Make sure you paraphrase it to change the wordings here. Do you understand? Once it changes the wordings, all you have to do. Let's go there. Let me not be speaking English. Let's go to paraphrasing tool. Paraphraser.io. Now, whatever it is ChatGPT will write for me, I will copy it and come here and paraphrase it. Paraphrasing means to change the language. Do you understand? And reduce the amount of plagiarism that this article is going to carry. Do you get? And then I will go back and then feed this person this information and collect my $7.35. Simple. He's still writing, still in number 6. Let's give it a little time. Okay, so if you come back here, you see what this person is going to do. Hello, sir, and welcome to my gig. As an expert in writing articles, I'm having years of experience in this field. I can write a useful and unique article that includes the entire topic and its details so that the reader travels through its content and will not stand until the end. A plagiarism-free search engine optimization article without grammatical errors and arranged with high professionalism. The secret of the success of the article lies in the quality of the writing and the way to detail it. So blah 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 blah. See what the person is writing. You just pay for it and he delivers. You can see the people he has worked for 5 days ago, 7 days ago, 4 days ago, 16 hours ago, 15 hours ago. So this person is still up working, writing for $7.5. ChatGPT gives you all that. Okay, so here we are. I'll just copy it to go and paraphrase it. Come here, paste it. Okay, this so I can only paraphrase these 100 words. So what you will do is be cutting them one after the other so that you don't get. Let me cut from 1 to 5. Let's say 1 to okay from under. Let me cut say 7 to 3. Yeah, 7 to 3 as the first set of. Okay, so it's 400 for it can't come paraphrase. So whatever it once it's done paraphrasing it, it will show here. You can see 5%. It will show here. We will read what we have here and read what we have here and you see that they are not the same. Do you get? Now let's read. Go down. You see what use headings. That's the title number 3. Now dividing your article into sections with headings and now breaking up your article into sections. Do you understand? The original one said breaking up your article into sections using headings. The paraphrase said dividing your article into sections with headings and subheadings makes it. So I'm good. If I'm good with this, all I have to do is to check for plagiarism. So I click on check plag. It will show me if this article was plagiarized. Say okay, click on plagiar. So allow it. It will show me the percentage of plagiarism and the percentage of uniqueness of this article. Okay, once it is 100% unique, you are good to go. Copy it, go and arrange it, and send to the person and collect your money. Very simple. I hope you understand that. So we give it time, the plagiarizer, to check for plagiarism and then let us know if the content is 100% unique or is not. Okay, so let's check it up. Check it up. I'm already seeing 100% unique. I'm yet to see a percentage of plagiarism. Okay, yeah, we'll take this time because it's very important. If there's plagiarism, it will tell you. Okay, so perfect. So it is 100% done and it is 100% unique, which means there is no website you will go to on this planet and find this article. There is no planet you will go to and find this article. It's genuine. So all I have to do is to copy everything, and then go and give it to the person who demanded for it, and I collect my money. Now, not just articles, there are other things you can do here. Okay, there are other things you can do. You can write about cryptocurrency, you can write about anything. Let's see web design. Let's see web design. If the web design is, we have only web design. Okay, let's see mm, let's see blogging. Let's see blogging. I have two things. Okay, this person said, I will create an automated WordPress auto blogging for just $4.20. The person has created 141. Oh, wow. Wow. You can see that $4.20. He said, I will create an automated WordPress auto blogging to news website fully on autopilot. You can see that. You can see that. You can see that. So you can do whatever you want. Now, different things, different businesses, different ideas in this place on how to make money. If you have any of them, you are good to go. Come and offer the service. You can post a job too if you want something done for yourself. You come under gigs. You see to browse gigs, hired gigs. If I click on browse gigs, that means I want to check up for jobs. Okay, micro job, job post job, my job, task to rate, pending admin review. Okay, go to survey, go to offers, and then go to wallet. You are both an employer and a worker. That's why your button is showing green. Okay, you are both an employer and a worker once you sign up. Okay, so that is that for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got um, value. Please, if you have any question, put it in the comment section below. I will try as much as I can to answer you. Thank you so much, and I hope you got value from this video. Thank you for loving me. Thank you for always watching my videos. Thank you, thank you, thank you. If you are new here, please make sure to subscribe. Click on the subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe so you can get access to my other videos. Thank you, thank you.